So for lab 10, just to explain kind of the purpose of the reaction that we watched in the vodcast in our worksheet, the purpose of dehydrating the alcohol to form an alkene, you used an acid catalyst to kind of convert your pore leaving group of a hydroxide ion into a water molecule, which makes for a good leaving group. And then once that leaves, the extra electrons go back onto the carbocation to form a double bond, and thus creating your alkene. So in this experiment, it was using 2-pentanol and with sulfuric acid to create 2-pentene.
Right.
And then we'll walk you through the worksheet here a little bit with Cody.
Okay. All right. So basically, it's just as Mia just explained. Of course, I'll give you a little rough thing. Here's all the data that was introduced. Basically, we just explained why elimination is an elimination, because it's when a molecule loses its atom, it has to form a stabilization bond, and that occurs when a double bond is formed to help stabilize that. I guess I'm rambling. Okay. So, and that would be known as an alkene or alkyne if you have a triple bond. And then, because for this is basically a dehydration reaction, because the water molecules are being, alcohol turns into water, it's out of there. So it's a dehydration reaction from an acid base, because an acid gives up a hydrogen, thus pulling off the whole water molecule. Okay, and then we just basically showed that from, here's the T-butyl, there's the alcohol formed with the T with the three I'm trying to
T-butyl alcohol.
right. Trying
with
to think
the
of the methyls.
sulfuric acid.
Right, there is sulfuric acid. So the alcohol forms a bond with that hydrogen there. This one hydrogen leaves the group, so then you're left with just HSO4, and then the product of that is this T-butyl with an extra hydrogen on it. And then what happens is this bond is broken between the methyls there and that oxygen, and that forms that double bond there. Thus the hydrogens and the oxygen leave as water, and leaving you with the product there, and showed that that is pretty much the same thing as the isobutyl group, which then again there's the formula there, again reaction with the reactant, and then forms that again, and the same sort of deal. That bond breaks, leaving a double bond.
Same product.
Same product.
Yep.
Okay.
And then do the last page on here.
Sure.
So just
right.
our quick little.
And then just a little quick little synopsis of
work on that one. Just either showing the
right.
products
So
or
you
the
got
reagents.
the reactions, and you got the bad surge in there, and that was kind of throw us through a little loop there. But we got it figured out. There we go.
And there we go.
There we go.
All right.
Au revoir.